G'day guys, Greg here. Well, it's product review time once again, and today I'm going to be reviewing this subscription box right here from a company called Try Treats. Well, I think it's called Treats actually. Now they sent me this to do a review on, so I'm going to open it up and see what sort of treats we got. Now apparently you can get treats from all over the world, and I think it's about the $25 a month sort of thing. Don't quote me on that. You have to go to the website to find that out. But anyway, let's suss out a Try Treats box. Let's try the treats in the treats box. Come on, let's do it. Okay, now I don't know what exactly is in here. I don't know what country it's from. I don't know nothing or anything. Well, I do know something. I know that I got a box here to review. Anyway, let's suss it out. Okay. All right. Oh, here's a private note. Jeez, thanks for accepting this box of international snacks, it says. Oh, he's created an exclusive coupon code, Greg's Kitchen, containing a 15% off a discount off the first box purchase. And then they want me to do all their free advertising for you. Good on you, Roger. I'm not doing that. I'm going to show them this though. Right, let's see what we get here. Okay. Well, it's beautifully wrapped, isn't it? I love this paper. Okay, well, what's this, a postcard? Sweet! Where is this? Croatia? Are these Croatian snacks? I hope so. Well, it looks like it is. Explore Serbia and Croatia. Wow. And this must be the list of all the things that are in the box. Right. Okay, good. So what do we have here? Oh, some Jaffa cakes. Gee, they look alright. Wonder what they're like. Wonder if they taste like Jaffas. I hope so. I'll be rolling them down the aisle when I'm at the movies. I hope they're round so they roll easy. And what's this? Tortica. Oh, looks like a sort of a Kit Kat-y looking thing, doesn't it? The old Tortica. Yummy! Animal Kingdom. Oh, it's got a giraffe. Is that like a chocolate? Oh, milk chocolate. Oh, well, I got that right. We get a Keston dessert. Keston, that sounds like something an old person would take if they got some bowel problems. But anyway, I'll still try that one. Here's some more Animal Kingdoms. Right, good. What's this one? A Banako. It's got a picture of a monkey on it. So that must be a banana treat. Good on them. This is a Dorina. Well, I think that's what it says. From Kex. Oh, Kex. Is that from Kekistan? Whoa! The Kekistanis have finally got their own chocolate. Here, Ripper. Now, what's this? Eurocur, but it looks like there's something else written there, but a Eurocur block. Okay. Oh, Euro cream. Ah, well that makes more sense. A Euro cream bar. Sounds like something that you'd get on a Triple X site. But now we got here Kiki Tutti Fruities. Oh, they look alright. I'll try some of those. Kiki Tutti Fruities. And we've got here some salted sticks. Some Slani Stapikis from Nova Receptura. Wasn't that movie? In the Receptura? No, Summer Sepultura? No, that's a rock band. Sweet. And we got here Smoky. Well, you have to be over 18 to have these ones. The old Smokies. And if you're not allowed to eat you have to go outside to eat these too. Or into the smoky area of wherever you're eating them. But that's fresh baked peanuts. Oh, gee, they feel light. But there we go. That's quite an assortment of things. Now, which one am I going to try? Well, I'll try several of them. But which ones? Now it looks like there's only a few savoury things, like these nuts here and, well, these pretzel-y looking things. I know what these will taste like, so I won't bother with that. But I'll start off with a savoury, and then I'll just try a couple of these sweetie treats and see what they're like. So how about we start off in the smoking area with some smokies. Sí, señor. Looks like little cheesels. Oh wow, they smell like nuts too. Not that I, can smell mine from here, but I can smell these ones. They're quite, well, light looking, but they really do smell like you stuck your nose in a peanut butter jar. There's a closer look at one. Looks like the goods, doesn't it? Oh. Very light, very fluffy. At first I thought it might have a cheesy sort of taste, but still sort of does. It's quite unusual that. There's only a really light peanut butter sort of taste with this. But, I mean, it tastes alright. I tell you what, these would be great in the smoking area of your local pub if you're out there having a couple and gnawing on a few of these. Oh yeah, that'd be great. Right. How about we go to some sweetie stuff? I might go a tutti frutti next. That might be good. If we can get into it, might be even better. How do you... Right. There's a few flavours here. What do we got? We got, looks like an orange flavour and lemon. Oh gee, I don't know about the lemon. Strawberry. I do like strawberry. Was that it? Lemon, orange and strawberry? Is there a purple one? I like purple. No, it doesn't look like it. Anyway, oh, that could be raspberry actually. Raspberry and strawberry. Well, I'll try a raspberry. Get stuck a little bit. Hope you like eating paper. I don't, so I'll try and get it all off. There we go. Nice and soft. Oh, they're pretty good. They taste exactly how I think you'd imagine them to taste. Just that sort of sweet, sort of chewy flavour. Like one of those sunbursts or whatever they are. Next time I tried this Euro cream bar. It looks like hazelnut or something in between two layers of, well, chocolate. I'd say it'd be a nutty sort of cream in between the chocolate. Well, that looks nice, doesn't it? It looks pretty. Although, looks can be deceiving. Very soft. Very creamy. Hasn't got that nutty flavour, not too much, but wow, that chocolate is just dissolving right through my mouth. Wow. Oh, I like that. Yeah, Euro cream, yeah, Euro. How about we try some Animal Kingdom? This one opens up like a Wonka bar. Did I get a free ticket? No, but this one comes in, well, it comes in like a jigsaw puzzle. I don't think they do it purposely, but this one was a little bit broken. But there's the other side of it. Looks pretty good. What do you reckon? Right. Yeah, that's pretty nice chocolate, that actually. And it looks like here, I don't know if that's a sticker or a collection card. I don't even know what it is. Is it? Oh, is that like a crayfish or something? Wow, you get to collect all the different animals from wherever it is. I'm not sure if a crayfish is an animal though. Wouldn't it be a crustacean or a sea creature? I think they shouldn't learn what their animals are before they start calling them animal kingdoms. This should have been crustacean kingdom or seafood kingdom. Now, is it a sticker? Yes, it is. You ripper. Oh, yeah, I'm loving this collection. Well, I might as well stay in the animal kingdom and try the banana. Yeah! See how much of a banana flavour it's got. Well, it's sort of in the shape of a banana. It smells like dark chocolate. Oh boy. Woo. It tastes like those bananas we get in the supermarket here. You know those ones? They don't have chocolate on though, but it tastes quite like that, except maybe a little grainier. Oh, and a little bit softer as well. How about I try these Jaffa cakes next? They look alright. Don't mind a Jaffa. Haven't had one for a while. Okay. Well, here we go. Got a nice dark chocolate on the outside, doesn't it? Ah, you can smell that orange. Oh yeah. It's only got a tiny bit of orange in the top there, but there's definitely an orange flavour with that dark chocolate. It actually tastes pretty good. I don't mind this at all. It's very soft. The biscuit underneath is very soft. Leaves your fingerprint in there. But they actually taste pretty good, and I reckon you could roll them down the aisle at the cinema. So there you go, some of the tasty treats in the tasty treat box from Treats. Were those treats tasty, you reckon? They tasted pretty good to me. They tasted very similar to treats that we already have here in Australia though. But they are treats from different countries, and well, why was it, Croatia or something? Tell you what, I don't need to go there now. This is probably a really good thing to have while we're in travel ban status at the moment. Mate, it wasn't too bad actually, and there was a substantial amount of treats I got then. So, well, if this is something that might interest you, go to trytreats.com. Remember, use the code Greg's Kitchen for a 15% discount. Now, I'm not getting paid for any of this or getting any kickbacks, so if you want to do it, good. If you don't, I don't care, mate. No skin off my nose, although it could be some skin off my forehead. Ah! Well, there's another subscription box for you. I hope this video helped you in some way. If you like these videos, remember, some thumb and love would help. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time I review something. See you then. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are